April had requested mochi a while back, so this is my first attempt. The main ingredient in this recipe is glutinous rice flour. You can easily find this in most Asian grocers, and we'll need tapioca starch or cornstarch for dusting. If you're not close to an Asian store, I have links on Amazon below for you. So for the fillings, you can use whatever you like. The most popular are sweetened sesame paste and sweetened red bean paste. Be sure to get all your ingredients and your tools ready before you start, because once your dough is cooked, you have to move relatively quick before it cools down. I highly recommend wooden spoon or any strong spoon or sturdy spatula, not these flexible ones. Today I will be using peanut butter and Nutella, and I'm dropping them onto a plate and I'm gonna chill it so that it's easier to handle later. I like to sift the dry ingredient to prevent clumping, but it's not necessary. And then gradually add the water as you mix. Again, this will help with minimal clumping. Mix until the batter is smooth and no more clump. This first batch is plain and we'll cook it in the rice cooker. Go ahead and turn on your rice cooker and let it sit for 3 minutes. And then start to stir it. Make sure you're getting the bottoms and the side. If it sticks to the bottom too long, it will get too hard. And once there's no more white flour, then turn off your rice cooker. Then unplug your rice cooker and continue to mix with your spatula for about 3 minutes. And you guys, this is tiring. So have extra muscles around to help you out, okay? You can use a large cookie sheet or large tray to contain the mess. Make sure you give it a good dusting of flour to prevent it from sticking. Now you can cut a piece from the dough and start shaping it this way. Or if you want all your mochi the same size, then roll your dough into a log and then just cut equal pieces to shape it out. Now for my second batch, the base ingredient will be the same. The only difference is I'll be adding color and flavoring. And I'm using matcha green tea. And some green food coloring. Plus a little bit of vanilla. And this time we're going to microwave it. Microwave for 5 minutes and then bringing out to stir it. My dough was done in 5 minutes, but if yours was not done yet, just stir it and put it back in the microwave for another 2 minutes. Again, you need some extra muscle. I'm exhausted, so I'm done here. I'm using some matcha powder along with the tapioca starch for dusting. Dust the dough with, okay, not like me, to prevent it from sticking so that you can work with it. This recipe will yield about 10 mochi, about the size of ping pong balls or golf balls. And not bad for my first time making mochi, eh? These are soft and chewy when they're fresh. And hey, please help me out by hitting that like, subscribe, and bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new videos. If you're new to my channel, I upload new recipes every Saturday. I am wrapping a few and freezing them just to see what happened. The rest I put in the refrigerator in a tightly sealed container for 2 days. And look at this, the chill ones are still soft and chewy. But the frozen one, it's hard. They lost their soft texture. And not very good. I do not recommend freezing it. Enjoy them while they are fresh. It is the best. And this mochi base is at a 1 sweet tooth scale. If you are still craving more sweets, check out my other videos here or my playlist here. Could you please help me out by sharing my videos with other people? My views have dropped by 90% since January 2020. Now YouTube might have made some changes, but either way, I would really appreciate your help.